Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel as I review another gun from Shogun. Today we have here the WE-18C. And guys, before you go further with the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button guys. And the manual, it's here. It's okay manual, but it doesn't really show which way to adjust your hop up, so we need to guess it. The gun comes with a additional back straps and some pin, the magazine, and the gun itself. So, as seen in the previous review from the umarex Glock 18C, the magazine was extended, but this not, because it's not official one. So we have here the 18C, Glock 18C, oh sorry, the G18C from WE. And looking at the guns, look like the same with the Glock 18C from umarex, but you cannot find any markings from Glock itself here. Only you will find the 18C here, Gen 4 says here, and made in Taiwan. So, but the fire selector, you will find it here for single shot and fun shot. So that's all of what we want from this gun. And to adjust your hop up, just take out the slide, and you can see it here how to adjust your hop up, but it's guessing is it left or right to adjust your hop up. So it will be taking out your slide quite a while to adjust the right setup what you like, for which BB you like. And another add point for this gun is you have your outer barrel have a thread inside, so you can attach a adapter for your suppressor off for your tracer. So guys, let's check how the gun feels, and always wear eye protection and green gas. Let's insert the gas inside. Start the magazine, charge the gun, and let's try single shot. Feels good. Let's try full automatic. Feels nice. And for guys, this is Gen 4 version of the Glock 18C, so the magazine release is flare. Okay, so and further, that's it. And shall we go to the shooting test and chrono test? So let's go. So chrono test guys, it is the 0.3 BBs and green gas, single shot. Let's try the front switch. Didn't register, but it's okay. So let's shoot the gun. So trying the WE-18C, and now with the extend magazine. So single shot first. Front switch. the gun, the slide on the rear, but it's good. So let's go back to the table. Let's talk about it. And guys, and we're back. And we tried with the extended magazine and also with the original one. So that the gun doesn't come with the extended magazine, it's okay, but it's working fine. And if you like the enhanced magazine release, and don't bother that you get a small magazine, just gonna recommend these guys to you, the WE18C, the G18C. So if you like this gun, guys, check shogun.nl, and for the magazine you can check the link down below, and for the gun as well. So yeah, I think I like this more than the umarex one. Sorry, umarex, but feels better, feels good, shoot good. But because it is maybe the weather, when I test the 18C from umarex, it was the magazine was freezing cold, and this feels okay. So, but we will come back that later on with a retest for the Glock 18C from umarex when the temperature is okay. So guys, thank you for watching for this content, and see you at the next one. So thank you for supporting this channel, and bye.